Welcome to our discussion of a new product for incident light fluorescence. Here you'll see a Leitz microscope upright with a epi plume illuminator, and inside the plume illuminator we put in our filter cubes. We use the existing filter cubes that may have been used with a Mercury arc lamp. The Mercury arc lamp then is replaced now with a LED. We actually use the existing lamp housing, so that has a nice centerable collector lens in there. And we use the old Mercury socket even and attach the LED directional matrix to that socket. And now we have a nice focusable and centerable LED. It attaches directly onto the plume illuminator as if it were the 100 watt or 50 watt Mercury arc lamp, but it's now connected to a control unit, a solid state control unit that allows us to set a variety of different voltages and amperages so that we can output the LED in watts using a control knob, just like a transformer on a low voltage lamp. So this is a very economical unit, doesn't take up much space on your workbench. It can be set aside and turned on and just left for hour after hour. Instant on, instant off, constant color temperature. And more importantly, you have a much more efficient light source that's less damaging to your fluorochromes. So quenching is not a big problem here. The LED controller is putting out just enough intensity for us to see it both in the eyepieces and on a closed circuit video monitor. The controller can be used with this LED unit with great success, and by being able to control the light intensity, you can tune it down and then tweak up the sensitivity to your camera. So now that we've discussed the hardware, again, it goes into the existing lamp housing. If you already have a Mercury lamp housing, we'll take that and modify it for a slight charge. Then all you need is the LED addition and the controller. And what I'd like to do is show you a real-time image. I'm going to turn out the room lights, and here we have a displayer over here on the right. It's an old analog displayer, but it's great because it allows us to demonstrate using the fine focus how we can do all this in real time. Again, this is a very old analog camera, so pardon the slowness of the refresh, but as you can see on this fluorescence stained cell structure, it does a nice job, even though it's by today's digital standards very low resolution. We can quickly go and change the filter cube to the red setting. And this is the other advantage of this LED. It works for both blue light excitation and green light excitation, all with the same lamp. We don't have to change anything. We can adjust our intensity, tweak up the intensity a little bit as needed. And it's a great way to do very economical epifluorescence with your existing microscope. Or we plan on supplying all the Bunton fluorescence reconditioned microscopes now. Instead of with Mercury arc lamps, they all will now be modified to save money. The lamp housings will be modified and switched over to LED. So here's the superior system that you've been waiting for. Doesn't cost $6,000. It's well under $2,000 for this upgrade, and that includes the lamp housing. So if you already have the lamp housing, you're in good shape, and we thank you for your attention, and give Bunton a call if you have any questions. Thank you.